I don't know about you, but I'm always thrilled when I find the right tool for the job. This is the Aixpi floodlight. Guess what? It's wireless, motion activated, 240 LEDs, 1500 lumens, auto off, and it's waterproof. Take a little look at the highlights, then we'll get down to the long form.
Link in the description. But first, watch the rest.
All right, Ryan here. Silly Reviews. I'd like to tell you what we have here quickly. Then we're going to head outside. We're going to install it, and then we'll watch it in action. So what do we have in this box here? We have a 1500 lumen wireless motion activated floodlight. Motion activated, it's IP65 waterproof. This is going to come in handy for a building we have outside that's not wired up yet, and for safety reasons it'd be really helpful to have a light like this out there. It takes 3D batteries, recommended to use alkaline. Definitely don't want to use heavy duty batteries in something like this, it'll run out quickly. The motion sensor on it, it'll turn the light on for about 20 or so seconds, give you enough light. If you keep moving in front of the motion detector, the sensor will keep activating the light. So the light will be on for as long as you need it without leaving it on for way too long, just to kill that battery, because the batteries can be expensive. What I'm going to use are some rechargeable 5,000 milliamp nickel metal hydride batteries, some rechargeable ones, 3 of those, to try to mitigate the expense of needing batteries, especially D batteries, in something like this. So we're going to open it up, unbox it, take a look, then we'll snap on over to some installation highlights, then we'll see it in action. Okay, so let's open this up. Brand name is Aixpi. Don't really know how to pronounce it. Nice little logo on there. Nicely packaged. It's going to give you that little screwdriver. What do you need that for? Well, a lot of times when you have battery operated toys or things like this, the screws go into that gasket to help create that waterproofing, and you'll need this to get to the battery installation. So it's nice that they include that. Okay, packaged really nice in here with this bubbly and thick plastic here. You'll get some mounting hardware with that. You'll get an instruction manual that also has some details. Pretty obvious how this works and how to install it, but it lets you know it's got 160 degrees of lighting, shows you the different ways you can angle everything about it. Really neat, really curious to see if that 1500 lumens is true, but this is it. This is the setup. You can adjust your lights like that. You can adjust your motion sensor up and down, but not left and right, just up and down. Take a look at the back. This is going to come off, so you'll mount that first, then you'll be able to take the unit and attach and detach it. Really simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's going to be 6 of those little screws. You can also use this screw right here on the motion sensor. Adjust the tension on that so that it doesn't move, like flop down, because it's too loose. But you do want it tight enough to stay in place, right? But not too tight, because you might want to move it a little bit. So I won't bore you up and down, in and out. I won't bore you with the process of unscrewing all this, but we'll get to that, then we'll go outside. All right, I got to give this light 2 thumbs up. Link in the description.